It's just phenomenal to bring all of our field staff and leadership together. It is such an important part of what we do as an organization.
There's a lot of folks, that are spread all over the country, and to bring them back into one spot and, pick up conversation with an old friend.
Oh, it's great. You get to bond, you get to talk about other jobs and some issues they're having on there, some insights that they can help me with also.
It's about the camaraderie, the sharing of best practices, the sharing of ideas, the being able to understand the company much more broadly than they do today.
That's the thing that I'm taking away from this, is watching how this organization is actually growing into something way bigger than what I think they even imagined at one time. So where I see it going is a great opportunity for me as a superintendent to grow with this company.
The level of knowledge in this room is humbling and awe-inspiring.
That there's a massive team out in the field getting it done, and they're absolutely the team that's going to have the highest impact to whether or not we get hired again.
We've really discovered and proven that we need to have different superintendents with different skill sets. Especially as the projects are growing, we're seeing how these specialty areas are really important to focus on and do and be best in class for the scope of work that we're delivering to the customer. And seeing them side by side on the same job site makes a difference and shows up really well to the customer too.
Superintendents are where the rubber meets the road. This is the tip of the spear, if you will, of Haskell projects, and taking 2 days to break away from projects to focus on what they're doing, how we can improve, how we can provide more service to them is really important.
The biggest difference on our job sites today is just the tremendous use of technology to make our jobs more efficient, be able to build more effectively, to be safer, to have higher quality. And the use of these technologies has really given us tremendous strides in being able to build better projects for our customers.
At the end of the day, it really is the idea of boots on the ground is the most important part, whether it's at our steel shop, whether it's on our project sites.
The investment that the leadership at Haskell puts into the field focus motto and just the investment that they put into you on a personal level is second to none.
Being a Haskell team member is core to everything that we do. Being there at 2, 3, 4 in the morning, grinding through it with your team, and knowing that why you're doing this is for the person you're working alongside.
Pride is certainly the emotion that you feel with this group, and gratitude in what everyone's doing here. There's folks that are traveling all over the country, all over the world, working in some pretty difficult places, doing some amazing things.
There's an energy here, there's an electricity here, there's a vibe here that makes it really apparent that you're dealing with a world-class company that's operated with world-class people.
Our obligation is to make sure that we continue success and we set a path for enduring success to make sure that everybody's got the security for their families for the future.